Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Chevy Equinox and I will show you which fuses to check in case your power windows are not working. This video will apply to Chevy Equinoxes made from 2011 all the way up to 2017. All the fuses you want to check will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is very easy accessible. It's right here. Now to remove this cover you will have two black tabs, one on this side, one on the opposite side. So you want to press them together and lift up. You will do the same with the other one. Once you remove the cover, on the back side of the cover you will have a nice detailed fuse diagram. And right here you have a fuse puller which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. First fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 4, which is a 30 amp fuse located right here, responsible for power to the right power windows, so passenger side power windows, both front and rear. And the second fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 15, which is again 30 amp fuse located at the bottom right corner, responsible for power to left power windows, so driver's side, both front and rear. Now in case both of these fuses are good, you'll have to do a bit deeper diagnostics and start looking at the power window switches, possible power window motor and the wiring issues. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.